Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Online Certificate Status Protocol, OCSP, is a crucial component of secure communication over the Internet, allowing clients to verify the status of digital certificates in real time. In this tutorial, we will explore OCSP libraries in Python, Java, and C, along with code examples for each language. Python offers a handy library called ocspbuilder for working with OCSP. It allows you to create and validate OCSP responses. Here's a step-by-step guide using OCSPbuilder. Install OCSPbuilder. You can install OCSPbuilder via pip. Creating an OCSP response. Validating an OCSP response. To validate an OCSP response, you can use the OCSPbuilder library in a similar manner by loading the response and issuer certificates and verifying the response. In Java, the bouncy castle library is widely used for OCSP operations. Here's how to create and validate OCSP responses using bouncy castle. Add bouncy castle as a dependency. You can add bouncy castle as a dependency in your Java project, typically through Maven or Gradle. Maven. Gradle. Creating an OCSP response. Validating an OCSP response. To validate an OCSP response, you need to extract the relevant information from the response and validate it against the issuer's certificate. In C, you can use the OpenSSL library to work with OCSP. OpenSSL provides a robust set of functions for OCSP operations. Include OpenSSL headers. You need to include the OpenSSL headers in your C code. Creating an OCSP response. Validating an OCSP response. To validate an OCSP response, you need to parse the response and verify it using the issuer's certificate. These examples should help you get started with OCSP in Python, Java, and C. Remember to adapt the code to your specific use case and integrate it into your application for secure certificate status verification. ChatGPT.